Nasa GC. Okay, start na bro.
Napakagandang laban ng Team B.
Napakagandang laban.
Makikita pa kaya ulit tayo sa Biyernes. Thank you.
Rebound by Jason. Bunaw, taking three. No good. Rebound by Kiliano. Kiliano lumipad. Tumala. Rebound by Ring. 2 points. Ray Banyares. Nakashot na ba sila? All two. Ananges. Score. 5-2. 5-2.
9 minutes and 10 seconds. Start the clock. Rico. To Weber. All alone. Rico. 15 seconds to shoot. Rico. Step up 3.
Rico Mora. 2 points. Mark Pakaili. 7-5. Labang Team A. Ruel Mora.
8-7. Basket by John Pakaili. 9-8 in favor of Team A. 9-8. Hindi, sila, isa. 9-8 basket. 9-8, isa lang. Isa lang, oo. Oo, isa. Ano ba? A nga isa. Isa, A.
Hindi kasi nakadalawang tres kami, tapos dalawang isang dos.
Lamang sila kanina. Lamang kayo kanina. Lamang. Change favor lang. Change favor. Oh, nakapress din sila. Nakapress din. Nakapress. Tapos dos. Isang dos.
6-8 lang. 6-8.
Ay, ano, 9-8.
Change favor. Ray Banyares. Hindi, change favor. 10-9. Sila no? 10-9. 10-9. Lamang ang Team B. 10-9. Anything, intercepted by Jacqueline. Nakauna na. Nakauna na yung dalawa. To Mark. To Jason. To Mark again. Short jumper by Mark. No good. Rebound back. Steal by Rain. Steal by Rain. To Wewell. Taking 3 again. 3! Wewell. 39 na po, lamang ang Team B. Edge. No good, Rico by Jacqueline. 6 minutes to 45. Ano po? Ano po? Pangga. First personal foul by Jason Bengay. 39. 6 minutes 27. 39. 6 minutes 22 seconds. Rico to Giliano. 10 seconds to shoot. Giliano, 2 points. Giliano. 59. No good. Rebound by Rain. He's still by. Foul. Foul by jersey number 6. John Pakaili. Score 15-9 in favor of Team B. Lumalaban yung Team B. Grabe. Lumalaban yung Team B. 15-9. Tingnan natin ang bawi ng Team A. Rico, Wewell na naman sa tres. Ruel Mora. 89. Mark, short number. 2 points. Mark Pakaili. 18-11. Rico taking 3. No good. Rebound by John. Tutunaw. Last possession before change. by Rico. Now na si Iliano. Change court na po. Change court. Basket, Iliano. Score 20-11. 20-11. Tawagan na laban. 20-11. 4 minutes and 46 seconds. 20-11. 20-11. Labangan Team B. Mark taking 3. So good. Rico by Rico. Rico to Edge. Edge. 16 second shot clock. 13 second shot clock is steal by Jason. Jason. To John taking 3. No good. Rico by Bunaw. John Dumper. No good. Rico by Jacqueline. To John. Exactly 4 minutes. 4-3. 3. Jacqueline. Tama. 20-14. Pito ang anim ang kalamangan ng Team B. 3 minutes and 46 seconds. 20-14. 20-14. 20-14. 12. Another 3 kaya? No good. Triple 5. Edge. To Iliano. 15 seconds to shoot. Iliano. 2 boys. Iliano. 22-14. Bunaw. No good. Triple 5. Bunaw again. Bunaw. To Jason. Jacqueline taking 3. No good. Triple 5 well. Roel to Sir Edge. Edge. Is still by Bunaw. 2 minutes and 58 seconds. Score 22-14. Jason taking 3. No good. Triple 5. Iliano. Nagpapadali. To Sir Edge. 2 points. Edge. Come on. 24-14. 10-point lead. 2 minutes and 30. Iliano. To Rebel. 3. No good. Triple 5. Edge. Taking 3. No good. Triple 5. Ben Banyares. 26-14. Mark. No good. Triple 5. Jacqueline. No good pa rin. Triple 5 Rain. Steal by Jacqueline. Taking 3. Foul by jersey number 2. Rain Banyares. Last 2 minutes. 26-14 ang score. Bunaw. Turnover. 1 minute and 40 seconds. 1 minute. Labas na po yan. Labas na po. 1 minute and 32 seconds. To Rico. Touch pass to Rain. No good. Triple 5. John. To Jason. Lumipad na. 2 points. Jason. Berkay. 26-16. Edge na naman. No good. To Rico. 1 minute and 4 seconds. 26-16. Dalawang sampo. No good. Triple 5. Jason all alone. Jason. 2 points. 48 seconds left. 26-18. 40 seconds. 16 seconds to shoot. For 3. No good. Rico pa rin. 2 points. Rico bola. 28 seconds. No good. Jacqueline pa rin. 2 points. Jacqueline Kama. 19 seconds. Shot clock off.
28-20. 10 seconds. 8 seconds. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. End of the ball game. Panalo ang underdogs. Team Pinoy. Team B. Tama. 28-20. Okay po. Maraming salamat. Best